Hello everyone, welcome back to CodeIsha Training Center. Today in this webinar, you will know about the customer order form using the screen flow connecting with SObjects. Okay, so before going to this screen flow, we need to must have the order object, okay, like a database in our Salesforce org, including with fields like a product name and quantity and final price. Okay, so before going to this flows, you need to create this object and the two with the these three fields. Okay, because of storing the data through the screen flow. Okay, so let's get into the slides. So here the our objective and assumptions. Okay. So be a screen flow where a user can input a product name and the quantity, and the final one flows calculates the total price. Okay, and create a record in the order object and show the success message. Okay, this is our requirement. Now we need to do. Okay, in this webinar. So here the assumption, we have a custom object called order. Okay, so this is the custom object with including the name and the quantity and the total price. Okay, so this is the in our Salesforce org, we need to must have object and with these three fields. Okay, because of storing the data through the screen flow. Okay, so here the step-by-step instructions for this flow. Okay, so here the step one, we need to add a first screen and give it name as customer input. Okay, and step two, we need to create a formula resource, give it name as the total price. Okay, and in that step three, we need to create a record element, and that is the custom object. Okay, order custom object. Okay, and step four, add a one more second screen for the confirmation message display. Okay, and in that fifth stage, we need to connect the flow and save and activate it and run it. Okay, so this is our requirement. This is our instructions to follow the create the our screen flow. Okay, so first of all, what we need to do, add a screen component, right? So see here the first step one, add a screen component, give it name as the customer input, right? So and then after that we need to add text field and number field, right? So give it name as the product name and the quantity, right? So here the organizations. So check whether it is order is there or not. So we have the uh, order object and that too three fields, right? So see here the order name and the quantity and the total price. We have three fields on there, right? So screen flow. Open the setup menu. So in the quick find, we need to search for flows and see here the flows feature. Click on that. So here the flows interface. In that we need to click on the new flow button, and then here the we need to select the start from scratch, and then here the our flow type is screen flow. Okay, so because of as per our requirement, we need to choose the screen flow. Okay, so click on the create button. So here the flow builder user interface. Okay, so now we need to add screen component, right? So see this here the elements. So here the screen component, just drag and drop it, sorry, screen element, and drag and drop it and give it name as customer input, right? Customer input. And then what we need to do, add the two fields, number one text field and number two number field, right? So search in that search component, we need to search for text. So just this text, drag and drop or click on that. Okay, and give it name as the order name. Okay, order name. And then after that, number, right? Search for number and just click on that. So here the number component is there. So give it name as the quantity, right? Quantity. So first step successfully done, right? So click on the done button and then go on the next step two. Okay. So here the step two. In the step two, we need to create the formula resource, right? For calculating the total price of the quantities order quantities. Okay. So here the click on the manager tab and see here the new resource. Okay, so click on that. So here the resource type is formula because of we need to formula, right, our requirement. So here the and give it naming give it name as total price and data type is number, and here the two decimals, and here the giving the formula. So 30 into, so here the fetch quantity field. Okay, because of customers choose the one quantity or two quantities, right? So based on that quantities, calculate this total price. Okay. So check valid and then done button. So see here the total price and data type decimals also two there. And here the formula one. Why we need to choose these 30? So assuming the fixed item price of the item price of 30 rupees. Okay. So and next we need to move the step three. So in this step three, we need to create the record, right? So we need to add the element type, that is create records, and label name as create order and object. And then after that, we need to map the variables and the fields. Okay. So now step three, in that step three, we need to add create element, right? So see here the create element. Just drag and drop on the flow builder canvas and give it name as the create a order, right? So create a order and see here the from record variables, right? We need to choose the manually. Okay. And see here the search for order object. Okay. So we have two objects, same name as order. So we need to select the our custom object. Okay. So I need to select the that one and then see here the map the variables to uh, fields. Okay, so this is the record fields like a object fields, and here the variable fields, whatever we have used on the screen component. Okay, so first of all we need to add the order name, right? Order name. So search for order and select that name and see here the we need to add our order name. What we are given order name, same screen components, right? So just click on the order name. And next one, we need to add the quantity, right? So choose the quantity and here also search for quantity variable. Okay. So here the quantity variable and search for final one total price field, right? So here the total price field and search for here also total price. So but here the C formula variable. Okay. So select that one. So everything we are done, right? So mapping the fields to uh, variables, okay? Screen component variables, okay, right? So then click on the done button. So as of now, where we have three step done, right? Then we need to move on the step four. In this step four, we need to add the one more screen component for confirmation message, okay, to display the confirmation message, including the product name and the product price and the where you need to pay the money, okay. So now we need to add the another screen component, right? A screen element. So just drag and drop on this and give it name as the just message API name automatically it will come And then see here the search for display component. Okay. So here the display text component, right? So just drag and drop on it, our canvas, flow canvas, and give it name as the display message. And here the just I'm so I need this message only. So I'm just dragging, copy it and paste it here. So I'm successfully pasted here. So I need to decorate it, this total text. Okay. So just here the order place. I need to show this one middle of this. Okay. First of all, we need to set up these fields values. So first of all, order name, and second order quantity, right? Quantity, and third one final price. So here the done, right? So see here the display message like this. So I need to decorate it uh, to show the perfectly done and the broad, and here I need and give it color, red color, done, and then so I'm product name this text message I need to bold to show the bold. So same here also quantity, and here also same like that, and then some show the italic. Okay. So this is a simple message to show the customer final. When the customer click on the finish button, after that they can see this message, display message, order placed successfully, and your order name and the quantity and the total price of that quantity orders, and the please pay at the counter. So this is the simple display message on we are using the screen flow. Okay. So now, second one also, sorry, step 4 also done, right? And then now we need to move on the step 5. Okay. So see here the we need to start button and the connect with the computer, sorry, customer order input, and then connect with the create order element, and then after that we need to connect with the another screen element. Okay. So that is called order confirmation message, right? And then after that we need to save and activate or run it. Okay. So see here the done button, and click on the run, click on this start, and then here the first screen, right? So we need to just connect from the start to customer component, and then from customer component to records, and from customer, sorry, create button, create records to final message. So this is a simple screen flow. Okay. So now we need to save it, right? So customer order input. Okay. So now we need to save and activate it. And now we need to run this screen flow. Is it no is it running without any errors or anything errors get? So we need to solve from here. So see here the I'm giving the item is bookmark. Okay. So here the order is just fine. So click on the next button. See here the order name is Sukma and quantity 5 and total price is 13 to 50. 13 to 5, 150, right? So this is a simple uh, display message, right? So now why we need to use these these screen flow because of we from screen flow to uh, save into the our Salesforce database, right? So now we need to check is it save or not that record. Okay. So open the order object. So search, refresh it and see here the order, right? So successfully we are inserted a record of the orders, right? So here the Upma and quantity 5 and the 150, right? So let's try one more record also, like one more order. Okay. So I am giving like puri, like only two plates. So click on the next button. So see here the puri and the quantity 2 and 13 to 260, right? So one more order also successfully created. So let's check in our order object also. So here the number two order. See here the puri and the quantity 2 and the total price is 60, right? So successfully we are done creating the our screen flow connecting with the SObjects. Okay. So why we use these things? So here the benefit using the screen for connecting with the SObject. Okay. So benefits is we can get a clear review of the data and optimize processes and extract meaningful insights like how many orders we are placed today and how much quantity was sold or what sales trends are emerging over a week or month or one day or anything year. So through that data, we need to monitor our business like growth, revenue growth. Is it loss and is it profit? Okay. So these insights empower smarter and faster business decisions. Okay. And but all of this is only possible when your screen flow is properly connected to the relevant Salesforce object. Okay. SObjects, including standard and custom objects. Okay. See here whether standard or custom. Without that connection, there is no data to track the our business. Okay. So and that too no reports to generate and no insight to act on. Okay. So without these data, we cannot do uh, tracking and the reports and the insights. Okay. So this is the benefits using the screen for connecting with the our S objects. Okay. And in today's world, every business needs real-time data and data-driven insights to grow and stay ahead of the competition. And that all started by capturing the right data the right way with the flows. Okay. So here are the simple benefits if we are using these screen flow. Okay. Connecting with the whatever it is Salesforce as objects, including the standard objects and the custom objects. Okay, so I hope everyone find out this something new about this screen flow. So if anyone have any queries of the like Salesforce course or anything like a resume preparation support or mock interviews preparation support, and that too job support, including the job support and the trailhead support also. We are provide for you. So if anyone inquiry is there, so please feel free to contact us. We are here help to you. So thank you everyone watching for this video. Okay.